May 19th is a memorable day for the communists in Kerala as well as in India and the world over. For us in Kerala, we observe it as the death anniversary of the CPIM's former PB member, State Secretary and former Chief Minister, Comrade E.K. Nayanar. In the Indian context, it acquires greater significance as it is the death anniversary of CPIM's first General Secretary, Comrade P. Sundaraiah, and communists around the world revere today as the birthday of Ho Chi Minh. On such an important day as this, it is indeed an honor for me to pay respects to the memory of Comrade Sundaraiah, a